Welcome to WhatGear Reviews. Today I've got a product that I've been looking forward to for months. I saw this, I had a sneak peek at this before the lockdown, and then it just went quiet, and now it's here. And before we get into this, I just want to say a big thank you to you guys for supporting the channel. And if you're a new subscriber, you are now one of the finest subscribers known to man. And I also want to say a massive shout out to Huawei for sponsoring this video. They're helping this channel grow and helping me to continue to make videos like this. So big shout out to Huawei. Thank you for sending this over. Anyway, this is a special speaker right here because this is a speaker not just designed by Huawei. This has been co-engineered with Devialet, who are a French high-end audio company. And I actually have reviewed some of their speakers like the Phantom and the Phantom Reactor. And honestly, the technology that they put in their speakers is something on a different level. It's something very special. And Huawei have been allowed to use some of that technology in here. And like I said, it's been co-engineered with Devialet. So this speaker is something special. So what I'm going to do today is unbox this speaker for you guys, show you what it comes with, give you my first impressions on the design and also my first impressions on the sound quality at the end. Are you ready? Let's go. One thing worth noting here, guys, is this is a high-res audio speaker, which means you're getting that full audio quality the way the artist intends you to hear it. So there's no compression here, no loss of audio quality. This thing, pretty damn heavy, and it's got this really nice case, protective case on it. And this isn't just a throwaway case, this is an actual carry case for this speaker. That is a nice addition. It's got a nice amount of padding in there. So first impressions of this speaker, it's incredibly heavy. It looks so futuristic. It's got this kind of mesh layer around the bottom, and this is kind of piano black at the top. It looks very nice. And it's got these sort of bits here where the bass drivers are, which are exposed, and that really adds a nice look to the speaker. This wouldn't look out of place on a Death Star. Power brick and cleaning cloth come with it, and you're definitely going to be needing, actually I might even need this right now, try and get that glue off the top. So the power brick is here, and now we have a secondary box, and that's because this is where the power leads are going to be. You've got your warranty card here, you've got your Sound X instructions here, and then we have a range of different power supplies. So here's the UK one, that's what I'm going to be using. You've also got a US one and a European. Let's get those out of the way. I kid you not, it's 37 degrees here in London, and I think this glue is like melted under the sticker, and it's really difficult to get off. And if I'm looking a bit sweaty, I apologize. You got the power port right in the middle there. Power lead goes in, and then there's a little notch here to run the cable out of. So check that out. That is the controls there on the top, capacitive touch controls, and you've got lighting around the top as well. So when you change volume, it's represented by this kind of circular rainbow color on the top. That's really cool. Now, one thing I want to show you guys, now we've got a bit of a closer look at this speaker, is essentially what we've got here in these two gaps are the bass drivers, and we've got two bass drivers back to back. Now we saw a similar thing on the Devialet Phantom, and essentially what that does is, because you've got an outward force, there is an inward force as well. And essentially what happens is you've got two equal inward forces inside, which kind of cancel each other out, which means when this speaker is playing, there's no vibration. And I will be testing that out in my full review, which is coming soon. One other really interesting detail here is in the center here, where this driver is, there's a little red marking, and that is the Huawei signature flagship marking. And you'll notice this on all of Huawei's flagship devices, they always put that little red marking there somewhere on their devices. So for example on the P40 Pro, it's on the power button. That's a cool little detail there. And check this out, there is NFC here, so you can literally touch your device to it and connect to it. So I'm already connected. I have to find you guys a royalty-free track, otherwise we'll probably get the channel shut down. That bass dropped. That's not even max, that's probably about 60%, 65. Let's go max volume. Here's my first impressions of the sound quality here on the Huawei Sound X. I haven't heard a speaker this size have so much bass since the Devialet Phantom Reactor, which is an awesome speaker as well. And it's no surprise that they had something to do with this one, the Sound X. When that bass dropped, it was quite shocking to me to hear, and the clarity there in details as well is fantastic. Really, it's so crystal clear. So I'm going to have to spend some time with the speaker to really get a feel for what it's capable of and what all the buttons do as well, and what features it has with Huawei's own software and all this kind of stuff on the phones. I'm super excited about this speaker. First impressions, big thumbs up. If you enjoyed this video, I'd appreciate a thumbs up, and if you just subscribed, like I said at the beginning, you are now one of the finest subscribers known to man. And you guys might dig one of Huawei's latest tablets, the MatePad 10.4. That thumbnail's on screen right now. If you want to check out the Huawei GT2 eWatch, which is one of my favorite smartwatches right now, that's on screen as well. See you guys in the next one. Don't be late.